Hi everyone, it's your girl Renelle. I am back again with another video. This time I am not singing you all. My sister challenged me to make a video, so that is what I'm going to do for you all today. This is the look that you're going to see today. Alright, so it's very simple, very subtle, very neutral, and it still does the job. So if you want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. So we're going to prime the eyes with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. So we're just using that, and this is in the shade Fawn. So I'm taking this brush and I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so it's very important that you blend out this concealer because you don't want to get creasing. You blend it out evenly, smooth and nice. Alright, so we're taking Morphe 3502 palette. Let's go. So we're going in with this shade right here. Alright, and we're going to place this right below the eyebrow, okay? Right below. Yeah, not sure if it's coming across on camera, but you want to get a real subtle color close to your skin tone because this is your transitioning shade, okay? Notice how I'm holding my brush. Alright, I am holding my brush not like this, like if you're holding a pencil. You want to hold it at the end like this because you want to get a subtle light color payoff. If you hold it like this, then you're putting a lot of pressure on the brush and then you will get a very harsh payoff. Let's see. So we could go a little bit darker. Alright, so we're going in with this shade right here. And we're putting that right below where we placed the first shade. And you're using the same windshield wiper motions that you were using before. So you want to darken the crease a little bit. So you can keep adding, you can keep building until you get the color payoff that you desire. This dark shade right here, I'm taking this shade and I'm putting this in my outer corner. And remember, the brush gets smaller as you go. The darker shade, alright, goes to the outer corner of your eyelids. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key. Right, so you want to make sure that you blend, blend, blend. Right, we go back to this brush and we are blending the darker shade. We're not adding any product on the brush, we're just blending it out, okay? So now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our concealer, you take your finger and you blend it. So we're taking this flat brush and we are going in with this color right here. So I am patting it, I am not sweeping, I am patting to get the most color payoff. Going with this shade right here, alright, and we are highlighting. We want to highlight under the brow, so right on the brow bone. We want to highlight right there. Our eyeliner. This eyeliner is from SACHA Cosmetics. So I'm just putting that all over my face, and a little goes a long way, y'all. I'm gonna take a flat brush for foundation. And we're using a stippling motion, so we're not sweeping it, we're not wiping it with the brush, we are patting. Highlight under the eyes. We're going down the bridge of our nose and our chin area. Right, I don't usually put it on top. Right, we have our war paint on. We want to blend under the eyes. Alright, we're blending on our nose now. Don't forget this area right here. So I'm going to use this to set our concealer. So everywhere we put concealer, you want to set. Yes, I know it's looking crazy now, but we have to blend it out, right? So this is a darker shade, and we want to place emphasis right here. I do not want a harsh contour on my nose. I just want it to be subtle. So the top of my forehead, by the temples, and we're gonna do by the jawline. Right? I'm going to water my lash line, just blending it at the bottom of my eye. Just want to brighten it. You want to take mascara, and we are going to. This mascara is by SACHA Cosmetics. Yeah, I have a lot of their products here. We're gonna get our lips ready for our lip color. Lining my lips with coffee. Alright, so the name of this pencil is Blushing. So we're filling in the rest of the lips with Blushing. Alright, so I'm taking this lip gloss by SACHA. SACHA again, SACHA starred in this video, boy. And I'm just going to placing that on top. I'm taking the same blush brush. I'm using this SACHA blush powder, and it's in Cappuccino Chiller. don't need to highlight because it's a shimmer blush, so I'm not going to highlight. We have come to the end. It's just to do our setting spray now. SACHA again. Alright y'all, so this is the look. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you try it. If you try it, tag me in the video, in the picture, whatever you do. Stay home, stay safe, and I hope to see you all in another video soon.